Hello students, in the previous lecture we have studied about the global biodiversity. So today we will start patterns of biodiversity. Biodiversity is not uniform throughout the world but varies in latitude and altitude. Biodiversity is rich in area with favorable environmental conditions than in others with inhospitable conditions. Biodiversity is not uniform throughout the world but varies with change in latitude and altitude. So, favorable environmental conditions favor speciation and make it possible for a larger number of species to exist there. So, here we will study about the two factors which affects the patterns of biodiversity. So, first we have latitudinal gradients and second we have species area relationship. So today we will study about this first factor, that is latitudinal gradient. So biodiversity increases from poles to equators, that is from high to low latitude. Tropics have more species than temperate regions. For example, Colombia, located near the equator, has 1400 species of birds, while New York has 105 species and Greenland has only 56 species. Tropical rainforests of Amazon in South America possess the greatest biodiversity on Earth, with more than 40,000 species of plants, 3,000 of fishes, 1,300 birds, 427 of mammals, 427 of amphibians, 378 of reptiles, and more than 1,25,000 of insects. Greater biological diversity is observed in tropics. So here we will discuss about the difference in biodiversity between tropical and temperate regions. First point, speciation is a function of time. Unlike temperate regions subjected to frequent glaciations in past, tropical latitudes have remained relatively undisturbed for millions of years and thus had long evolutionary time for species diversification. Second point is, tropical environments, unlike temperate ones, are less seasonal and more constant and predictable, which promote niche specialization and lead to a greater species diversity. Third point is, there is more solar energy available in the tropics, which contribute to higher productivity, thus in turn contribute indirectly to greater diversity. So second factor we will study is species area relationship. Species area relationship. So in this, Alexander von Humboldt, he was a German naturalist and a geographer. He observed that the relationship between species richness and area for a wide variety of taxa, that is angiospermic plants, freshwater fishes, birds, bats, that turned out to be a rectangular hyperbola. So the relationship between species richness and area for a number of taxa is shown through this diagram. In this you are seeing the equation, that is log S equals to log C plus Z log A. So on a logarithmic scale, the relationship is a straight line as described by this equation, that is log S equals to log C plus Z log A, where S is species, A is area, Z is slope of the line, C is y-intercept. Ecologists have discovered that the value of Z lies in the range of 0.1 to 0.2 regardless of taxonomic groups of the region. In very large areas like continents, Z value ranges between 0.6 and 1.2. The Z value for frugivorous birds and mammals in the tropical forests is found to be 1.15.